This video is belly dancing basics. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to cover how to do slides. We want to start off by finding a good belly dancing posture. So we just want to have our feet under our hips, have our knees nice and loose. We want to take our pelvis. A lot of women walk with the sway back, so just pull the hips in. And just pretend that there's like a pendulum dangling down from your sacrum. Have the arms up. The fingers are in a position with the thumb and the middle finger together. The shoulders are open and back. That is the traditional belly dancing posture. And we're just going to start off by doing some slides with our chest. With the arms out, nice and active, we want to separate the hips from the chest by lifting up the torso. We want to try and have a nice long torso. Arms are out, and without moving the hips, just slide the rib cage to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Just try to make it a nice smooth motion, keeping the hips right where they are. Good job. Now with the head, it may be easier to bring the arms up, bring the wrists together, nice, beautiful posture, have the shoulders back, shoulders relaxed. The neck needs to be nice and relaxed as well because the head slide comes from the neck. So just pretend that you're dragging your chin along a table. Go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, back, forth, back and forth, back and forth. Good job. The hip slide is a little bit trickier. Make sure the hips are in, the shoulders are back, the chest is open, and this movement comes from the obliques. So you want to work on keeping the knees soft, chest is open, arms are out, and then just activate the right oblique here. Go to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Very nice job. Now we're going to put it to music. Just bring the arms up, maybe add a little flourish with the wrists. Start with the neck. Shoulders are relaxed. Head just slides from side to side, like you're dragging it on a table. Now do the chest, like you're reaching through from one side to the other. Now the hips. Activate the obliques on the right side, the left side. Again, head, get the hang of it. Now the chest. And now the hips, one more time. Activate the obliques. Right, left, right, left. Keep the chest lifted, shoulders back and relaxed. And smile. Don't forget to smile. Nice job. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep watching, and week by week I will post more belly dancing basics. There's also yoga, Pilates, meditation, all kinds of good stuff. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram, like and subscribe, share with a friend, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos. Have a blessed day. May love and light be yours. Namaste.